Okay, hello. I found the plans from 2005. They were approved by the building department in June. They're drawn up by Dennis Pantazis of AIG. Here is the first page. Existing floor plan of, that would be above the first floor. They call it the second floor plan, so that's the, and then this is the roof above me right now, existing plan. So I'll try and get you a good look at it. I'll get you a paper copy of these. I gotta go get them Xeroxed. So that's down below. Here's the roof above me. So, see, we're on the porch here, looking out. This is probably where you were viewing the building from. Now here's this stupid thing that you saw, which I'm going to remove. It's sticking off the building. It's just, oh Jesus, see, oh God, there. It was never attached to the building. It was the original idea to give extra support to the upper unit, but instead later we put in extra joists, like twice as many as the plan called for, and there's also some steel straps in there, 4 of them going along. I'll show those to you later. You can see them when you inspect it. But here's what the plans called for. We had to add a few joists. I'm going to show this to you later. We had to put in a whole bunch of extra Hilti fasteners for that plate to the wall. And okay, and then we had to do all this bridging. Alright, so now here's the second page of the plans. Oh, the existing roof plan. That was just what you saw above me. Now here's the repair plan. They wanted new joists here, 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 and here, and then a bunch of bridging. Those were all added. We originally had an architect do these plans, Bill James, before that porch collapse, so it wasn't as strong as it should have been. Then they want us to put in a whole bunch of extra Hilti anchors, 16-inch on center line to the face plate, and you'll see those. We did a whole bunch of anchors all along there, in addition to the ones that were there to begin with. Okay, so now these are all approved. This was through bolts. What the hell is this for? Oh, this might be for, yeah, down below we had only one long joist there. They made us add 2 more joists and then screw them all together with these extra screws, which I'll show you with my inspection video coming next. They wanted additional joists here. That was done. And bridging, anchors. Oh, and then they wanted right here a steel I-beam, which was put in there. I'll show you that with the inspection. Okay. Here's more info just about the extra anchors to the wall plate, joist bridging. That was put in. These are all approved plans. This would be the roof I showed you with more bridging, more anchors. We did all that. Then joist connection detail. All these extra hangers. Oh, this is the metal I-beam, steel I-beam, and then we had to put these things, we drilled in these, what are they called? Those are hangers, Simpson hangers. We drilled those into the I-beam. I'm gonna have to remove this wood so you can see it. And when I videotape it, I gotta take those little pieces off of wood decking. Bearing plate. Oh, okay, that was into the masonry where the I-beam is connected. We made a little pocket. New decking over the I-beam. Oh, this is the rear thing, which is the extra joists that we had to put I think like 5 of them in there. But I'll give you a video of that. You can come see it too later. Joist connections. That was all done. Beam bearing detail. Sister connection detail. We did all this stuff. Bridging plan, bridging detail, handrail detail. Oh, and they made us you see the handrail was a little too low, so we had to add a few inches to the handrails. And what else? They made us add these metal angles or the 4x4s connected to the deck. So I'll give you a full inspection step by step. We had a building permit. Now here's some plans and notes from Dennis. Self-drilling screws into the I-beam. How we put the anchors in with those hangers. The bridging and blocking. Screw selection. Drilling screw guide. These are the application fasteners they wanted us to use. And then face mount hangers. Bridging directions. AIG. Okay. I'm going to clean up that bottom deck a little bit and then remove some of the wood so I can videotape the things you need to look at. All right, thanks. Is that corn dog? Corn dog?